Hi guys, do you know what today is? It's August 28th, 2022. But do you know what today is though? It's National Cherry Turnover Day. So, guess what we're doing? We're gonna make some turnovers. Now, you can make them from scratch. Easy peasy, you can do. This is a lot easier, especially if you're on vacation and you just want something sweet. Buy a box of these, pop them in, they make 4 of them, and yum, yum, yum. It's really good. So we're gonna make that for today. Figure why not? We can have fun. But if you really don't want to make them at all, even how easy these ones are, you can go to Arby's. They sell them there. Cherry and apple. Cherry's always been my favorite. So I was like, yes, I will do that today for National Cherry Turnover Day. So let's get baking. All right, first thing you do, set your oven to 475. Get a baking sheet and parchment paper. And then open up the box. It's gonna come in a little package. There's 4 of them in there. Once you have it open, this is what it looks like. And you take one there. I put one over here. Then I take this one here. And then I put this one here. Yeah, there we go. So I kind of do them opposite, points this way, points in. Gives them more room around there to bake. So we just have to move it a little bit away. All right, now these will go into the oven, I believe, 3 inches apart, blah, 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 20 to 25 minutes. See you in 25 minutes. There we go. I always set it at the lowest time. It said 20 to 25 minutes, so 20 minutes it is, and then I check it. Now turn the oven light on. Yep, lights on. All right, see you guys in 19 minutes and 42 seconds. All right, so while that's baking, I am gonna make the icing that goes on top. It doesn't come with it, but it's very simple. Voila. And you can use water or a little milk. You can use either or. I'm gonna go with a little milk. All right, so I put a little bit in there. Now you put a very small amount of liquid. I can't do it with both hands. Okay, so I put a little milk in there. Now we'll go ahead, start mixing it up. You could put a flavor in this. You could put a little, got a little too much milk. I need to add a little bit more. You can put flavor in this if you want it to. I'm not. A little vanilla might be good. All right, you just keep stirring this until it gets to the right consistency. All right, mix it up. It's too loose. So we'll put another spoon of powdered sugar in there. All right, and let me see. You can see how it doesn't fall off very easy. That's where you want to keep it at, somewhere around in there. Definitely not any looser than this. I might still make it a little bit thicker. Okay, let's check on them. Ooh, okay. All right, now it's really thick. I'm thinking it might be, no, I think it's just right. Yep, all right. All right, let's check and see how they're doing. We still have 5 more minutes. Oh, wait a minute. They're done. All right. Now we just let them rest and cool down. All right, so I pulled them out of the oven. I set them on plates. They are cooling down. And I had to make this a little thinner. So now that I've done that, Now it's time to ice it. Not very thick. I need to do it thicker. And for the last one. Alrighty. Now, aren't they pretty? So, now it's time to try it. So, I'm going to pick one up. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh, I'm about to lose it. Oops. Alright, let's try a different way. Grab it from the corner. I do my happy dance when it's good. Yep. They're wonderful. There's nothing else you can do but love them. So, get you some cherry turnovers today and enjoy your day. And if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here. And I love you all. Bye.